Babe, summer is already here. Now is the time to beat the summer sun. Sweat, stink, skin care and hair care that actually works in this heat season. How to remove your tan and the secret hygiene hacks. How to stay fresh and hydrated in the burning summer. Summer food, make your skin glow inside out. Prevent heat exhaustion. Help in your digestion. Make you stay hydrated all the time. Summer fruits highly water nature flush out all your toxins easily. So, if you are ready to step in the month of July, looking like fabulous, cool, glowing queen, then grab your fave refreshing coconut water. Tie your hair. Let's build your summer transformation routine with 0 rupees, from skin to hair. So before we start, we need to talk about the vibes. Sift your mindset. Let's romanticize your mindset first. It starts with drinking water, feeding your mind positive thoughts, cleaning your room, practice self-care. Trust me, when your mindset bloom, your skin follow itself. Summer skincare. Ice cube facial. After wake up, rub a frozen cucumber ice cube in your face. It reduces face puffiness, tighten your pores, soothe your skin irritation, and make you look refreshing. Summer tan removal face mask. Use turmeric with aloe vera and yogurt. Mix it well. Apply it on your face and neck. Let sit for 20 minutes. Then rinse it with cold water. It helps you hydrate your skin, reduce inflammation, redness, sun damage. Observe excess oil. Aloe vera cooling, nature make your skin moisture, nourishing and flow less ever after. Sun kiss hydration. Drink water like your life depends on it. Add lemon and cucumber slices for extra detox. Nature summer skin serum. Combine rice water plus aloe vera plus rose water in a bottle. Shake it well. Spray after cleanse your face. It helps brightening your skin, reduce aging properties, soothe sunburn and irritated skin, make your skin plump and radiant. Body care. Let's talk about the smelly scalp, underarm, inner thighs area. Body odor make us uncomfortable due to the overlay sweating and humidity. Odor control. Don't have deodorant. Don't worry. Rub slices of lemon under your arms before bath, or you can use crystal alum stone after bath. It kill all your bacteria and make your arms smell free. Anti-sweating powder. Use cornstarch with few drops of tea tree essential oil and rose water. Use it all over your sweat area like thighs, underarm, chest. Let it dry. You will feel the divine smell and irritation-free body. Summer foot freshness. Soak your feet in lukewarm water with Epsom salt plus lemon slices. It reduces foot bad smell, loosen dead skin and make your foot soft. Now bye-bye smelly foot. Summer hair care. Facing countless hair problems like frizzy hair, split ends and dryness, oily roots, hot and greasy scalp. Let's bring your hair back to goddess level and make your hair summer ready. Step 1. Make your scalp cool. Mix 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, apple cider vinegar, argan oil. Gently scrub it on your scalp. Leave it for 5 minutes. Then rinse it in cold water. Hydrated, cool and itchy free. Perfect now. Protect your hair from sunlight. Braid your hair. Apply UV protected spray. Wear scarf when you outside. Use hydrating shampoo with sulfate and parabens free. Regular trimming remove your split ends. Keep your hair healthy. Let's avoid heat styling in this sweetie summer. Hair conditioner. Apply coconut milk on your hair as a hydrating hair conditioner. Focus on the scalp, lengthen ends, massage it gently. Leave it few minutes, and then rinse it with cold water. It deeply nourish your hair and add shine. Tip for summer glow-up diet. Feel worried which diet you should follow in this summer. Scared might be expensive. Don't worry, babes. Your kitchen is a perfect glow-up station for you. Hydrating drink. Start your day with coconut water. It has natural sources of electrolytes, make you feel refreshing and hydrating. Drink cucumber and mint water. It has cooling and refreshing option that helps to detoxify your body. Skin-loving summer food. Mango, papaya, lychee, watermelon, berries, pineapple. Make skin hydrated, plum smooth, brighter, toxins-free. Avoid this for clear skin. Let's cut down all your sugar and oily craving food. Spicy and overprocessed food. It triggers sweat, breakout and body odor. Cucumber, mince, lemon smoothie. Mix with yogurt. Give you cooling, fresh, energetic, glowing look all over the day. Control your body sugar that you can enjoy all day without feeling drained. Summer feminine hygiene. Stay clean and comfortable. Wear light, loose-fitting clothes that allow your skin to breathe. Choose sweat-free cotton undies. Is very good for summertime. Remember, girls, airflow is hygiene. Feel cool and fresh as flower. Take shower twice a day to keep sweat away. Exfoliate your skin with mix of sugar, lemon, coconut oil, and tea tree oil. Exfoliation, remove your dead skin. Keep your body sweat and smelly away. Flower bath in every hot summer evening. Make your summer night sleep blooming and refreshing. Add some pink salt. It helps to remove all your toxins. Apply a leverage gel, plus few drops of lavender oil on your inner thighs, under bust area. After bath, it prevents rashes, irritation, itching, and smell divine. Mindset glow up. Wake up early before sunrise. Feel the flowery cold summer breeze. Deep breathe and enjoy the summer morning. Journal your whole day's intentions. Be grateful to you inner peace under the sunlight. Mirror motivation. Every morning, after you wake up, stand in front of mirror. See your reflection and say it loud. I'm glowing. I'm powerful. I'm magnetic. I'm the summer shine. I'm successful. I only attracts good things in my life. Take a nap and recharge yourself. Summer days are long and tiring. Good nap make you productive. Listen to your body. Take a cool nap. Stretch. Hydrates. Eat fresh. Be soft to yourself. So girls, here's your complete satisfying summer glow up on a $0 budget. No expensive products, no complicated routine, no pressures, just pure self-love and real working rituals. You're not just surviving this hot melting summer, you are owning it. You are soft, you are strong, you are that glowing girl who smell like the jasmine of summer evening. If this summer glow up plan help you, comment your fav hacks.
Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Love you all, glowy girls. See you soon in the next video.